Good news for international students. 2-year extension to graduate visa 485. Today's video outlines the latest updates to the graduate visa subclass 485. So make sure not to skip it, especially if you aspire to live in Australia after completing your education. Do you wish to connect with us? Follow us on Instagram, and feel free to DM us your queries about Australian visas and immigration. Now, let's kick off our video. The graduate visa subclass 485 is a temporary visa for individuals who have completed their education in Australia. Interestingly, graduate visa holders can stay in Australia for 18 to 48 months. Plus, it offers full work rights to holders and has promising prospects of permanent residence in the future if used strategically. As an international student in Australia, you must be aware that some rules and requirements for the graduate visa subclass 485 are expected to change soon. First off, let's take a recap of the graduate visa and previous changes. Before we move ahead, you should know that the graduate visa has two streams. The first one is the post-study work rights stream, which is designed for graduates of higher education. And the other one's called the graduate work stream, which is designed for students who finished any 2-year diploma or trade certificate in any profession. Coming to the previous changes to the graduate visa 485. All overseas students finishing any 2-year trade certificate or diploma in any field in a VET college have been allowed to apply for a 2-year graduate visa 485 under the graduate work stream from the 1st of July 2022. Don't forget that this update is applied to all applicants, irrespective of the fact that their occupation was mentioned on the medium and long-term strategic skills list or not. So, what are the latest changes for the graduate visa 485? Unfortunately, the concession we just talked about earlier ended on the 1st of July 2023. From now on, applicants will be required to nominate a skilled occupation mentioned on the medium and long-term strategic skills list and obtain a positive skills assessment to go for the graduate visa subclass 485 under the graduate work stream. In addition to this, the course that applicants graduate in Australia must be closely linked to the nominated occupation. Moving on, there are also changes for graduates applying under the post-study work rights stream. For instance, the Australian government has decided to offer a 2-year extension of post-study work rights for overseas graduates holding specific degrees that fall under the areas of verified skill shortage. Now, let's see how the Australian government will allocate the post-study work rights extension based on applicants' qualifications. First off, bachelor's degree graduates will get 4 years instead of 2. Secondly, master's degree graduates will get 5 years of extension rather than 3. And lastly, PhD graduates will receive 6 years of extension, instead of 4 years. What's important to note here is that this extension is in addition to the extra 1 or 2 years of work rights given to applicants in 2022 in regional areas. Furthermore, graduates holding a temporary graduate visa under the post-study work stream on the 1st of July 2023 were said to be eligible for the 2-year extension. Moreover, applicants who submitted their applications on or after the 1st of July 2023 can also secure a 2-year extension. But don't forget that the applicant's qualifications should be on the list of eligible qualifications, as stated by the Department of Education, to avail all the concessions effectively. Keep following our channel if you want to receive all the latest updates to the graduate visa subclass 485. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us bring you fresh content. Thanks for watching.